Today, I'm putting Google Antigravity and Jules head-to-head to see which one actually wins in real-world use. Both tools are pretty impressive, but they take very different approaches. Google Antigravity feels more experimental, focusing on heavy automation and pushing AI boundaries. Jules, on the other hand, feels more practical and grounded for everyday tasks and workflows. In my testing, Antigravity is powerful, but sometimes unpredictable, while Jules is smoother and more consistent. If you like experimenting with cutting-edge AI, Antigravity might excite you more. But if you want reliability, Jules clearly wins in day-to-day use. Overall, there's no absolute winner. It really depends on what you need. For me, Jules edges ahead for practical use, but Antigravity is more exciting to explore. Let me know which one you think wins in your workflow. And if you enjoyed this quick comparison, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Drop a comment for more AI head-to-head reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.